Hello guys, today I'm going to show you, I'm going to give a small walkthrough on how to install HTTPD in CentOS 7. So this is a CentOS 7 that is installed using a VMware version 15.5.2. Okay, let's see this here. See, that's it. So what I've done is I've shared the internet connection of my host computer, that is a Wi-Fi, to here to this machine, and you can see that by going to open terminal. If you're not having internet issues, if you're having internet issues, just do this. Okay, just go to ifconfig. There you'll see that you have an IP here. Okay, if you have an IP, then just ping 8.8.8.8. That's a DNS of Google. So you're gonna reply, which means everything is working fine. So if you're not having an IP here, see, I'm having an IP here and the packets, everything is being displayed. But if I'm not having this, if you're not having this, just note down this name, okay, ENS33, and just do this. If down, you're just shutting down the connection, okay, ENS33, it's disconnected, and do if up for the same connection. Then try pinging again, and you will be able to get it. So just try this if you're not getting it. Okay. I think I have made most movement. Okay, that's good. So, so how to install HTTP? So the default command to install anything is that yum install whatever that you want to install. So right now what we want is Apache web server. So I'm giving it as HTTPD. Okay. If you want, you can wait for the system to find the yum to find the dependencies and then install it for you, where you'll get a prompt if you want to install them or not. If you don't want a prompt, put -y. It will automatically install everything without asking you for any interruption. Okay. Paka. So that is done. So right now we have an HTTPD installed. So once you've installed it, you can do two things. The first thing is that you know that you have a firewall in your system. So we need to install, we need to add this HTTPD server into the firewall CMD so that that service is present there. It is whitelisted. And the command to do that is firewall minus CMD minus minus permanent. We're using permanent because you want this to be permanent, because you don't want this to be gone the next time you restart your server. You want this to be there lifelong. So what is the server that you want to add? Add servers is equal to HTTP. So HTTP server is what you want to add because that is what you want. That's it. So you can do this in two ways. You can either do this or you can give the port number. Add port is equal to TCP slash HTTP is using port 80, so you can give 80 if you want, or by default adding server will automatically add the port 80. So that's it. And after doing this, we need to reload the firewall. Okay, so this command to do that is simple. It is firewall minus cmd minus minus reload. That's it. Done. Now, since we know that we have done the firewall thing and we have installed HTTP, we need to start this. So the command to start an HTTPD server is, the command to start anything is like systemctl start HTTPD. Okay. Now we started this. So you want to know the status of his HTTPD, the servers, Apache servers, then what we need to do is the same thing, but just replace start with status. See, it's active and running. So it's okay. So the next thing that we need to do is we need to we need to check if it is working fine or not. We can go to our Firefox and we can type our IP address. If you know the IP address, you can just type that. If you don't know the IP address, you can just put localhost here. It will give a testing 123 page, which means this installation is working fine. It is good. Everything is fine. We do this too. We'll find the IP. See, that is also working fine. So we've tested both IP and the localhost. So that is how you install an HTTPD server. So if you want to, if you make some changes to the server's HTTPD, you can either reload it again using the reload command, systemctl reload HTTPD. If you want to disable it without removing, you just want to disable it, you can do that by using systemctl disable. See, instead of status, you can disable it by disable command. You can enable it using the enable command. So these are the 2-3 commands that is there for mostly every service. Okay, so that is it. Now if you want to create a like a web page inside the like a test page, you can do that inside the war www html page. Okay, I'll show you that. cd slash war html. You can create an so inside this index file, what we need to give is a basic HTML script, okay? And that is like we'll do a small thing HTML. So I want the heading to be what do you want? Welcome to I want that to be there. Now close the title thing. That was my title and the heading. Now what do you want? I want a body. I want a body. I'm not so good with this HTML scripting thing. I'm not good. I'm not good at all. So now we'll go to this Firefox page. And instead of man, why instead of localhost, with the testing page that we had, this is what comes up. So our title is welcome to the arena, as you can see here, and the body of the arena is live and running. Cheers. Cheers to you, mate. So that is it. So that is how we deal with this Apache web server. So thank you for listening. Thank you so much. It was the first try. So cheers to you. Thank you.